Hey guys, Scott here, and today I'm in my home garage. I'm about to spoon some new tires on my wife's street bike that's up on the stand, and it's mostly manual work, but there is one thing that I definitely need to use to make my life easier. I'm going to use the Tru-Flate rubber lubricant. This way it helps me get the tire off the wheel and put the new one on without tearing the bead. So let me go ahead and get to work. Hey guys, as you can see, the tires are on the bike and that rubber lubricant made my life so much easier. I just wanted to go ahead and show that you don't need an expensive tire machine to actually use this stuff. If you have a dirt bike, a street bike, UTV or ATV, this stuff's perfect for you. For more information, you can click or tap the button in the corner or you can follow the link that appears on screen.